Have you ever felt that you don't belong anywhere? Like the world expects something from you, but you don't know anything yet? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to talk about a book which is funny, adventurous, emotional, and so special. And it's none other than Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief by Rick Riordan. And don't worry, this is totally spoiler free video. I'm just going to tell you what's the book is about, what's the story feel like, what's the appropriate age, and what I really like in the book. Okay, so I'm going to divide this video in 5 parts. The first 2 minutes will be of the basic setup, that where the book is set up. The second will be what's the book is really about. The third will be writing and vibe, and the fourth will be why you should read the book, and the fifth will be who is this book for. Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief is the first book in the Percy Jackson and Olympian series by Rick Riordan. It is a fantasy adventure based on Greek mythology, but it is set in modern world. Okay, the story follows Percy, who is a 12-year-old boy who often struggles in his school, gets into trouble, and he doesn't know why he is different from everyone else. Teachers don't get him, children don't, his classmates even don't understand him, and even Percy himself doesn't know why things always go wrong around him. He keeps changing his school because of all the nuisance that happening. He often kicked out of the school actually. But one day Percy discovered that there is a reason behind all of this, and this discovery changes his life forever. Now moving to the next part of the video, that what this book is actually about. And let me wait, it will be spoiler free. Okay, so at its heart the book is about identity. It's about believing who you are when the world keeps telling you that you are a problem. It's about believing that what you think is your weakness might actually be your strength. The book blends mythology and reality beautifully. Monsters, god, hero, half-blood exists, not in the past, but right alongside the modern world. And yes, Rick Riordan makes you believe it completely. The story is so believable, and everything in this book is has the coincidence with the real world, like the Los Angeles, like the mention of the real places that makes you believe that okay, I know this place. Oh, like it will make you think that does this really exist. It's that believable. There is also a strong theme of friendship. Percy goes on a journey where he meets a lot of people. Some people challenge him, some people try to put him down, but there are also some people who support him throughout the journey even when it becomes dangerous. The friendship of Annabeth, Grover, and Percy is unbreakable. And yes, there is a quest, a very important one. But my favorite thing about the book is that it doesn't focus on the destiny, but rather it focuses on the journey, which makes it even more beautiful. Next fragment of this video is writing style and vibe of the story. One thing I absolutely loved in this book is the writing style. Rick's writing style is simple but not boring. यार my video keeps flipping, तो मुझे ऐसे इसको पकड़ना पड़ रहा है. Okay, so his I was talking about the writing style. His writing style is simple but not boring. His style is funny but not childish. It's fast paced but still emotional. Percy's narration is sarcastic, humorous, and relatable. Even if you're not 12-year-old, you'll still connect to his thoughts, his humor, his confusion. The chapters are short, which make it easy to binge read. You'll keep telling yourself that, oh, just one more chapter, and suddenly the book is half gone. Even when the story gets intense, there is humor to balance it out. Now, the next segment is why you should read the book. You should read this book if you love fantasy but you don't want anything too complicated. If you love the mixture of mythology and adventure. Third, if you like books with witty humor and narration. And the fourth, you enjoy stories about self-discovery and friendship, so this might be perfect book. This book is perfect for beginners if you want to get yourself into fantasy adventure world, but it's also perfect for those who have already loved the genre. Honestly, this book is one of those books that reminds you that reading can be fun, not boring, not stressful. Okay, so you're gonna love it. Another beautiful thing is representation. Percy struggles to read, and he has dyslexia and ADHD, Instead of portraying this, like instead of representing this as a flaw, the book treats it with understanding and respect, and that's make the story even more meaningful. Who is this book for? I'll recommend this book to teens, middle grade readers, and adults who love adventure and want to feel nostalgic. Well, honestly, age doesn't matter. If you like story where ordinary people discover that they belong to something bigger, then this book is for you. Also, a great comfort read. Like you can read this book after a long stressful day and you can just feel so good after reading it, which actually I do. I keep reading all my lectures in the morning, read this in night. Now the last part, that's conclusion. To sum it up, Percy Jackson is not just a fantasy book. It's about finding your place in the world. It's about realizing, it's about embracing who you are and realizing that being different is actually powerful. If you have not read it, I highly recommend giving it a chance. And if you have read it, please let me know in the comment section what's your favorite part of the book. And please don't give spoilers. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and send it to a fellow book lover. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy reading. Bye.